If you want to see how I created this beautiful look, then stay glued to your screen and keep on watching. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, thank you so much for joining us, and if you've always been here, thank you so much for coming back. Please kindly subscribe, like, share, and drop a lovely comment. So today I'm going to tell you a beautiful story on how I got booked for Bride Recce's pre-wedding and traditional marriage makeup while I glam her up. So this is a detailed makeup tutorial, so enjoy and learn something new for free. So on this fateful day, I went for a pre-wedding photo shoot section for my bride, another bride entirely. So after the makeup session, she went out with her husband. Photographer was doing his thing. Me on the other side, I was taking videos with my phone, trying to capture moments. Then some group of guys walked past us and they saw the beautiful job I did on this particular bride, and they were like, they like my job and they want to book me, that his wedding is in few weeks, not even up to 2 weeks, and the wife hasn't gotten a makeup artist yet. So that was how they collected my number. The groom in question collected my number and reached out to me the next day. He wanted the shoot to be the next day, like we just met coincidentally, and it happens to be that the wedding or the traditional wedding was in 2 weeks or less than 2 weeks. So that was how we negotiated. I only spoke with the bride briefly on phone. Then the next day, we used one day to do the negotiation, and the next day I was already at that same hotel again. I went back to that same hotel with my team to glam her up for her pre-wedding shoot. And my section with Bride Recce's was so beautiful. She's so calm. She's so welcoming. She didn't stress me at all. We started gisting, started talking about stuff online. I found out that we attend the same church in Lagos. This bride is so wonderful. Like, brides like this are really, really, really hard to find, because honestly, she didn't stress me at all. She didn't stress me. So after the pre-wedding section, she after some days to the traditional marriage, she told me the thing she didn't want in her makeup for the main event. So we worked together, and she gave me her brief, because we didn't speak initially. So the husband did the negotiation. It's not like she wanted a particular look. She allowed me do her thing for the pre-wedding. Then before the trad, she told me how she wanted her makeup. She wanted it smooth. She didn't want too many drama with the eyes and all that. So she didn't want any trending stuff. She just wanted to look like herself. I told her I was going to deliver just the way she wanted it. And on that fateful morning, we got to the hotel location. She told me 6 o'clock, but I was there before 6 o'clock. So I had to even wait for her at the reception for them to just probably get ready. So my team and I went inside her room. Then we started prepping, setting up for the makeup section, arranging her lights, makeup products. Then I started glamming her up. I did a proper face preparation, face skin prep. I did so many layers and stages of skin prep before I started applying foundation, and this look really came out so well and so beautiful, just the way she wanted it. She was really impressed at the end of the day. She really loved her makeup. So I'm going to allow you guys to enjoy the rest of the makeup section. So after the bride's makeup, I wore the groom his bead, his neck and hand beads, because the photographers were already waiting for him to take his personal pictures while the bride was getting ready. So after dressing up the groom, my gele artist started tying the bride's scarf. Here's my gele artist doing his thing, and the scarf really came out very, very, very beautiful. So meet bride Rekis, beautifully dressed in purple, makeup on fleek, gele on fleek. She really loved the outcome of her look. So after the makeup and gele section, went outside to take pictures, made videos in the hotel before heading straight to the reception for the rest of the party. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, drop a lovely comment, share, and turn on your notification bell. Let me know what you think in the comment.